So look right here, and when I click on it, notice first line comes in and then the next one comes in. Pretty good looking. So I'm going to right click here and select edit slide. Okay, first thing, as I showed you earlier, I'm going to select that all. I just did Command A on my Mac, Control A on Windows will do it, and that selects all of it. Now I'm going to select list here. Let me hide myself here, because first problem is I've got these two bullets. I don't want to see the bullets. I thought that there was like a non-bullet bullet here in the list, but I cannot find it. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the size down to 1%. So let's do 1% here. Okay, that made it go away, but it's still kind of indented off to the side. So let's go here to indent and let's change that to 1 as well.